We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR Release Test Questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab, and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 33. A student has a set of cards. Each card has a picture of one shape. The table shows the number of cards that have a picture of each shape. The student will randomly select one card from the set. Which statement is true? Option A. The probability of selecting a card with a picture of a circle is 5/8, and the probability of selecting a card that is not a picture of a circle is 3/8. The total of cards in the table is the sum of all cards, which is 40. There are 8 circle cards in the table. Hence, the probability of circle cards is 8/40, which is 1/5. So, A is incorrect. Option B. The probability of selecting a card with a picture of a circle is 3/8, and the probability of selecting a card that is not a picture of a circle is 5/8. Option B is also incorrect. Option C. The probability of selecting a card with a picture of a circle is 1/5, and this is correct. The probability of selecting a card that is not a picture of a circle is 4/5. Not a picture of a circle cards are 40, subtract 8 equals 32. The probability equals 32/40 equals 4/5, simplified by dividing both numerator and denominator by 8. Therefore, C is the correct answer. Question number 34. The model represents an equation. We have 5x and 4y equals 10y. Hence, we have an equation 5x plus 4 equals 10. Solve the equation, we got x equals 6/5. Therefore, G is the correct answer. Question number 35. A survey showed that 8 out of 20 homeowners in a neighborhood had cable television. If there were 320 homeowners in the neighborhood, how many could be expected to have cable television? Multiplied cross, then divide the cross of question mark. 320 times 8 divided by 20, simplified by divided by 20, we got the answer as 128. Question number 36. Students were surveyed to determine their favorite types of animals. The bar graph shows the number of students who selected each type of animal. What percentage of the students surveyed selected bird as their favorite type of animal? The total number of students is the sum of all students in the graph, which is 30. There are 6 students who selected bird, hence, the percentage of these students is 6/30 equals 1/5 equals 0.2. 0.2 equals 20%. Therefore, F is the correct answer.